Now we are going to see the philanthropic quality of Kadayelu Vallalgal. We are going to see each and every Kadayelu Vallalgal's philanthropic quality. It might be humanity, charity, generosity or benevolence. We are going to see about them. Philanthropic quality or the benevolence, charity, humanity, generosity. That things are called as philanthropic quality. Firstly, we are going to see about Pagan. Pagan gave a shawl to protect a peacock from exposure to cold. Pagan gave a shawl means a blanket. He gave his blanket to protect a peacock from its shivering. Due to the exposure of cold, the peacock got shivering. To protect that shivering of a peacock, Pagan gave his own blanket to that peacock. This exposed the quality of humanity in them. It might be thought that why peacock needs a shawl, but he gave his own shawl to the peacock. So this is the main philanthropic quality of Pagan. Next, Pari. Parivallal. Many of you heard about the Parivallal. The important and most famous sentence of a Parivallal was Mullaikku Ther Kodutha Pari. He got that name. Why? Because he gave his chariot to the creeper. See here, Parivallal gave his chariot to support a creeper. Mullaikku Ther Kodutton, which means he gave his chariot. Chariot is a vehicle that drawn by a horse is called as a chariot. He gave his own chariot. He offered his own chariot to support a creeper. Creeper are the plants which grows on the ground itself. Because it does not have the ability to stand, that's why it grows on the ground. So here Parivallal gave his chariot to which creeper means jasmine creeper. In Tamil, jasmine is called as mullai. So he gave his chariot to jasmine creeper. Mullaikku Ther Kodutha Pari. That's why he got that title, Mullaikku Ther Kodutton. Next, Nedumudi Kari. Nedumudi Kari gave his horse and kingdoms to Iravalas, a tribe. Tribe is a community of people, particular community of people. When they beg, Iravalas means when they need money means they will go and approach the kings, that is called as Iravalas. If they don't have something means they will go and approach them. So when the tribe community people needs something, they will go and approach Kari. If they approach Kari, he offered them his own horse and kingdom. This is the philanthropic quality of Nedumudi Kari. Kari offered his own horse and kingdoms to the people who approach him for the needs. I received a glowing clothing from a good snake which he gave to Lord Shiva. I got a glowing clothing, that is a very rare dress. Very rare dress. He got that dress from good snake. But he gave that very rare dress to Lord Shiva. If you got some new dress or a very high-rated dress means, will you be able to give it to others? No, we will not do it. But I received that rare dress from the snake, but he gave it to the Lord Shiva. So the dress worn by Lord Shiva was given by I. Next, Adhiyaman. Many of you know about Adhiyaman. Adhiyaman gave gooseberries to the poetess Avvai. Gooseberry means Nellikani. We will also eating gooseberry, but what's special in this particular gooseberry? In this particular gooseberry, when you eat in this particular gooseberry, you will be immortal. Immortal. The word immortal means the ability of being live forever. If you eat this particular gooseberry, you will live forever. You will live for a longer period of time. That is the special of this particular gooseberry. When Adhiyaman got this gooseberry, he saved it to give it to Avvai. Why? Because he wants to grow the Tamil. For the growth of Tamil language. For the growth of Tamil, he gave that particular very superpower gooseberries to Avvai. The gooseberry has the power of when you eat in this gooseberry, you are able to live for a longer period of time. That is a special power of that particular gooseberry, and he gave that to Avvai. Nalli. Nalli helped people who came to him for help in the forest without revealing his true identity. When the peoples in the forest region approaches the Nalli without showing his own identity, he will not show that he was a king. Without showing his own identity, he will help all the peoples who are in the forest. That is a special character of a Nalli. Last, Valvil Ori. Valvil Ori was a good archer. Archer means the one who shoots with bow and arrow. He will make use of bow and arrow to shoot the people, and he was very good at that. That's why he called as Valvil Ori. Valvil Ori. Valvil means bow and arrow. Since he was a good archer, he got this name Valvil Ori. He gave his kingdom to the artists of Kollimalai. He gave his own kingdom to the artists. They may be a singer, dancer, poetess, or even painter. If they are good at that, he was ready to give his own kingdom to that artist who are living in the Kollimalai. Why Kollimalai? Because Valvil Ori ruled the Kollimalai. So when the artist in the Kollimalai approaches the Valvil Ori, he was ready to give his own kingdoms. So these are all the philanthropic quality of our 7 Kadai Vallalgal. I hope this class will be helpful for you to know about the 7 Kadai Vallalgal.